Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a real-life business coach example to show you how you can actually use Make.com to create what we call a search a role module on Google Sheets. First, let me explain the situation we're building here. We have a list of clients in a spreadsheet, which is here. Currently, I have a list of clients, have the email addresses, phone numbers, and the status. So pending means they're just probably pipelines, not really transforming into a confirmed client just yet. So I'm waiting for their email as a business coach, and I want the status to change when they email me to confirm they want to work with me. The scenario first starts with a Gmail to watch the email to come in, which we have covered in the previous video, so link below in the description around the screen, so click on it if you're ready to go back and watch the first of this trio episodes. We built a filter to only pull through emails that has the word confirm to the next stage. In the last video, we used add a row as the proof so that you can see exactly what has happened and pull through the information with all of the email subject line with confirm. And this time we're going to build a search a role module in order to look for a specific client. And in the third video of this trio series, which is in the next video, so I'm going to teach you what the next action would be. You ready, guys? Let's get going. So Gmail watches the email, confirm with the clients, they add the role. In this scenario, you actually don't really need it. You can delete it or just leave it as it is. Let's just delete in this location so to avoid confusion. Now we need to add a module. We need Google Sheet and to search a role. In here, we need to make sure we find which area we want to search it for from my drive, because I linked it my Gmail to Make.com, so it's going to search for the Gmail drive. Next is find the spreadsheet name, which is test sheet 1. Next, we are going to find the sheet name. So which worksheet we're looking at. We want to update the client list, not on this module, but in the next module. But we need to search for the role to update. So we need to use the client list. Does it contain a header? Yes, it does. Now, this is the filter we really need to do. And we need to look for the email address. Second, we need to look at here, we need to look for equal to. You can put case insensitive if you would like. And here, rather than typing a word like previously, we type confirm, rather than that, we need to look for that exact email address, right? So we're going to use the fields that come from the Gmail itself. We want to match the from email, which is my client email address, to the spreadsheet we want to match them with. So we need to choose the from email here, okay? And that's simple as it is, and click save. Now we have all of these set up. I've even rebuilt that filter between the two modules back in that was covered in the previous video. We need to save this version to make sure we can retrieve back to this version in case we accidentally delete anything here. Now we can just do a test run by clicking on this run once button on the bottom panel and wait for it to happen. Excellent. We've actually got one role searched. You can actually see that was one operation being pulled through and find role 3 with this email address. But on the spreadsheet, actually, there's nothing happened because this is not an action. This is simply a trigger to let Make.com know, get ready to do something. So in the next video, we are going to talk about what is the action that we want Google Sheets to do after finding that specific role, okay? Now, while looking at the screen, you might notice this word bundle. A question that I get asked a lot, what exactly is bundle in Make.com? I have a short 60-second explanation on that. Simply click on the link around this video or in the description to find out more. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to catch the final video of this 3-part series to build this full automation in a real-life business coaching scenario. Subscribe to my channel to watch more of these bite-sized videos. Have a good day. Bye.